Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this Audi SQ5 in. We're doing a ton of upgrades. So we're doing an alarm, remote start, tinted the front windshield, dash cams, GPS tracker, and a gun safe. Right. So we installed this Reach 2S. So these are really nice. So it's a biometric gun safe. So in essence, what happens is you put the gun in, and when you go to reach for it, you touch this button and see it's not accepting the code. And then if it's the right code, it releases. If not, that you will never get that thing out of there. I mean, it is secure as can be. And then we also bolted it to the vehicle, so you can't take it and take the whole assembly with you. And we also added the Blackview DR970X. This is a 2-channel dash cam with LTE. So what that means is he has the ability to view it remotely. We also added the backup battery. So there's a backup battery. So even if the power goes out, the units will continue to record. The other nice benefit about having the battery is that it's not drawing any current from the vehicle when it's off. When you turn the car on, it charges the battery. When you turn the car off, it disengages from the car battery and charges strictly from the backup battery, or it's powered strictly by the backup battery. So it's really nice because you don't ever have to worry about it interfering with the electronics of the vehicle itself. So this unit also has a rear camera. So it's nice because you have both a front view and a back view. So it works really, really well. This way you're covered in any kind of accident, or somebody rear ends you, anything. So these are really sharp because they protect you both on the front and the back. And so he also didn't want to run a front plate. So what we did is we did one of our stow and show. This one's specific to the vehicle. So it has a pin, and you pull the pin and you can remove the entire unit. So the nice thing is there's no holes in the front of the vehicle. A lot of times you get these brand new cars and front plates are required in the state of Illinois. So this allows you to put a front plate on, but not drill 4 giant holes in your brand new vehicle. So this is a nice alternative. It's a way to keep it legal, but still be able to remove it if you ever wanted to.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.